Welcome to the informative POCO C40, and I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's just open the settings application, and after that we should scroll to the wallpaper section. Then just click here. You can see the online wallpapers which you can use, but to use them you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. If you want to use your default wallpapers on your device, you should click here to profile, and after that tap here to wallpapers. You can use our just default wallpapers from here, or for example we can click here to the plus icon and we can select, for example, the photos from our device. You can see here that we have 3 and 4. Oh, sorry. I'll just I should turn off the auto. Okay. So for example, we can use photo from our device camera here, this one, and you can use it, or for example you can use your system. You download it before wallpapers or the system wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Just to apply this wallpaper, we should click here apply and set as lock screen. Just wait a second, and after that we can just check and see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our POCO device. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while one from our device screens, and after that tap on the right down corner to wallpaper icon, and after that we can select the same profile section wallpapers. We can use the default wallpapers on our device, or for example we can use this online wallpapers. So for example, let's just use the puppy dog folder, and for example we can use this wallpaper. Then just click here to apply and tap set as lock screen. Now we can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.